going to talk about rounding using the vertical number line. We have previous videos where we learned to round by tens and by hundreds using the vertical number line. Today we're going to see what happens when we have a number that needs to be rounded both to the hundreds and the tens. Okay, so we're going to set up our two vertical number lines. This will be our tens, and this will be our hundreds. Let's come up with a number. Let's see, how about 643? Okay, so I'm going to put my tens, the 10 below. So the 10 below 643 would be 640. The 10 above would be 650. In the middle is 645. So notice that even though I have hundreds, I can still label it with the 10 below and the 10 above. For the hundreds, the 100 below is 600 and the 100 above is 700. Right in the middle is 650. Okay, so we're using the same number, but we have different marks on our number line. Okay, now I need to place my number, 643. Well, here's 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. So 43 would go right there, 643. Here I have 650. 643 is almost at 650, so I'll put it right here. It would be too hard to count by ones between 0 and 50, so I just estimate for this one. Now it's clear to see here on the hundreds that 643 is closer to 600 than it is to 700. It's also below 650, which shows me that 643 rounded to the nearest hundred would be 600. Let's go back to our tens. Notice that 643 is closer to 640 than it is to 650. It's also below 645. So I know that 643 rounds to 640. So that's how we can round the same number to both tens and hundreds using the vertical number line. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.